With grocery prices soaring, coupons can be a big money saver, but many shoppers are now having trouble getting those coupons. Consumer reporter John Matarese tells us why and what you can do so you don't waste your money.
Pat O'Brien is getting frustrated trying to save money on groceries.
They're making it too hard. Seriously?
Like millions of seniors, she struggles with her smartphone and can't access digital coupons that could give her $1 off on some items. Tina Hearn is an elder caregiver and says the move away from paper coupons is hurting many lower-income people.
I shop for a lot of my older clients because of the because it's so hard and complicated.
A new report from consumerworld.org finds many of the biggest sales are now digital only.
Shrimp, chicken breasts. So it wasn't just, a can of coffee.
Consumer World's Edgar Dworsky says digital-only coupons put some shoppers at a big disadvantage.
Anyone who's not connected today is missing out on supermarket savings.
But don't expect a return to paper coupons anytime soon. Digital coupons are here to stay. The founder of CouponMom.com, Stephanie Nelson, says this reminds her of the move to loyalty cards decades ago.
People adapted because you couldn't get the sale prices and you couldn't get your coupons deducted unless you used the loyalty card.
Her advice: sort through paper and digital coupons before getting to the store. Look on the store's website for coupons you can print at home. And unhappy about hard-to-get deals? Shop somewhere else.
If you get to a point where you're buying the items at the right store each week instead of this high-low thing at one store, you're going to save hundreds of dollars a year.
Edgar and Stephanie suggest checking with your store's courtesy counter if you can't access a coupon. But the reality is, paper coupons might not cut it much longer. So don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese.